All right, people, we about to head into the Orlando Vineland Premium Outlets Nike Factory Outlet. See what the promo looking like today. See what they have on shelves. About to get to it. And it's prime time right here. Jeez. About to check out. Start off in the apparel section first. We're in the apparel section right now. I see some signs for additional 30% off, additional 20% off. Oh, first stop. I like this breaker right here. I need one of these. This is $69.99. I don't see any additional percentage off on the outerwear. And we also have it in the green and black. Yeah, that's a dope breaker right here. I like these two. I like this one a lot better though. Come over here. What's this? It's an oversized joint right here. 24/7. It's a workout dry fit sweat. Got the top and the bottom. Additional, the fleece only 25% off. Additional 25% off. Price on this is $79.99. And the bottom is also $79.99. Got the other fits here too. Got a nice burgundy 79. No, this is $54.99 with addition, and you take an additional 20% off. When I say the additional price with discount, is not marked down already. So you take the price off of the percentage off of whatever the sticker price is. So whatever the sticker price is, then you take the discount off of that. It's not marked down already. So this was $75. It's marked down to $54.99, and then you take the 25% off of the $54.99. See, we got some shotted backboard apparel over here. Got a nice hockey style jersey for the shattered backboards. Got a little satin feel to it. Shit is nice. Got a nice embroider. $64.99. No additional percentage off, it looks like. All right, this Jordan tee is $29.99. This one is already marked down because it has no additional percentage off. But it's $29.99 for that. Got a dope breaker right here. I like this breaker. This breaker is fire. $69.99. Should have had a little additional percentage off though. The flight on the back. I like this one because this could go with anything. Now it's just black on black. Let me zip it down and check it out. Yeah, I like this. It's pretty. We got a little more Jordan apparel, but this rack is actually additional 25% off on this rack. $69.99 for the hoodie, for the pullover. Pockets in the front. This is a lightweight too. And the pockets seem to have, what is this, a zip? Yeah, these are zip pockets. I never seen, that's a little different take. Go on to the other side, the zip ups on both sides of the pockets. And we got the pants to match. And the pants are marked down from $100 to $69.99, and then you get additional 25% off. So you have it in the gray, and then you have another hoodie set in the black. This one is $59.99. Anything on the back? Nah. Just got Jordan on the hood, $59.99. And then this on the bottom with the Jordan going down the pants leg. This one is $59.99. So $59.99 for the top and the bottom. Well, both are priced at $59.99. Get additional 25% off. Got another pullover hoodie. This one is also $54.99. The pants, trying to come back down the leg again, $54.99 also. This rack is additional 25% off also. Oh, got a nice Jumpman flight tee. Pullover hoodie. But you usually see this logo always on the t-shirts. $54.99. See, this is exactly what I'm talking about. This like the fall color rack too. See, this is the Jumpman flight tee, $38 and additional 25% off. I think I saw this. Yeah, everything is good, my man. Thanks. This is $34.99. Seen this in a clearance outlet. I don't remember what the price was at the clearance outlet, but I do remember seeing this at the clearance outlet. But it's $34.99 with additional 25% off. These sweats over here, this is $49.99. Then we got the khaki pants here also. How much are these? These are $54.99. See what's on the other side of the rack. Okay, we got the dark green. Got the little Jumpman flight logo. This is $69.99, marked down from $100, and then additional 25% off. And then pants to match also in gray and in green. Okay. This is like a chain basketball net, and they make out the Jumpman. And this hoodie is $29.99. Dang. $29.99? That's a good price for this. Jordan 1 Christmas hoodie. Santa Claus coming down the chimney. And come over here, we got an entire wall. It says additional 25% off. So we got a nice gray crew neck, $44.99. We got a light blue. Got a nice green. And then we have a soft pink. And these are all $44.99. We take an additional 25% off. It's a higher markdown clearance rack. Found some nice Kobe. We got the Mamba pants. No, right now. Yeah, additional 40% off. And these are $39.97. You take an additional 40% off.
Additional 40, and then if you sign up and become a member, you can save another 15 on top of that.
Okay. So what if you already have your Nike account? What you okay, for people to sign up, just use another email. All right, I could probably do that. All right, cool.
It's like 2 minutes.
You know what? Yeah, I'll do that real quick. So you hear that? So you sign up, you get an additional 15% off on top of 15 on top of whatever the additional percentage is off today. We're gonna take a look over at. We're gonna take a stop real quick over in the kids section. See the kids Jordans. We got the Rare Airs. We got some Jordan 1s. We're gonna step in the aisle real quick. So we have the kids Rare Air Black Toes for $100. Got the not the Rare Air. These the Rare Airs for $100. Still the same price. We got the Reimagined Black Toes for 100 beans. Then we got the the Midnight Navies for $100 also. Dope. Got a pair of RMs, $59.99. Snap, we got a pair of Kobe's, Year of the Snakes. These are $94.99. Snap, we got the GGs. Kobe GGs, $84.99 also. Got the other pair of GGs for $84.99. Man, the kids section got nothing but heat. Another pair of Kobe's, $84.99. Got the navy also, and in the gray for $84.99. Got a whole gang of Kobe's. Oh, all right. Got the Jordan 1 low, Obsidian Blues, $84.99. Man, kids section got so much heat. And then we got the gold toes for $100 once again. We got some mids, $79.99. Dope. I don't see any additional percentage off. Well, these are $99. So you know If it has the 97, you get additional percent off. But the 99, that's the price. Oh, now we over here by the men's section at the I'm Year 4s for 169. You got size 12 all the way down to, pretty much all 12s and 11 and a halves and 11s. These are all big sizes. Got a dope pair of airships. I like this color. This color is nice. These are $79.99. What's these? What was these called? The retro Obsidian Blacks, I think, or something like that. And these are 109. These marked down from 185 down to. And y'all can see here we got a whole stack of shadow backboards. But these are mostly from size 8 all the way down up to 9.5. I think all the big sizes are gone. And these are marked down to $139. $139.99. And right next to them, we got the Reimagined UNC Blues for $139 also. Got the hot Jordan 1s all marked down. And we got a mids here for $99, $100 for that pair of mids. Dang. It's a good time to be a sneakerhead. You could get all the J's that you want if you're a ones lover for under retail easily. You come over here. These are some other shadow backboard colorways they have. We got a low for $89.99, and then it's a mid with the black toe in the front for $89.99 also. And then we got the entire hash wall additional 40% off. So we're gonna take a look around and see if I happen to see anything in my size. So let's see. I don't see anything really too crazy. Seen these. These are SB Gatos. Now I kind of like the flat shoes and soccer joints. I know Supreme did a collab with a pair of these also, but these aren't those, and they had a red pair, but $49.99 with additional 40% off. That's not bad. Got some RMs. These are $129. Jeez. And then you take 40% off of that. I don't really see too much on the hash wall though. And over here they got some Air Max. We're gonna check out the Air Max section. I've never seen these additional 40% off. See the 97? Anytime you see the 97 at the end, you know this is additional percentage off. I like this color though. These are dope. So $79.97, and then you take an additional 40% off of that price. Got these right here. These are $95. No, last time I seen some other colors in these. I like these. A little bulky look to it, but not too much. You know what I mean? We got a whole bunch of sizes. We got these other Air Max right here, $79.99. Got some nice white on white Air Max 90s for $104.99. And then you have them in all black also for $104.99. Take a look. We got the Air Force Ones, got the ups, $115, and then the black $115 also. I like these right here. These some dope pair of dunks right here. Some SBs for $89.99. I like the colorway. This is a nice colorway for the fall winter season right here. Whoa, it's green too. This green is nice. These the Pro Bs. Nice. These were $120. Now they're $89.99. You know the Pro Bs come with the thicker laces. If you a dunks head, if you know, well, not even just a dunks head. If you wear dunks a lot, which I do, yeah, I like these. A few more SBs over here. Well, these are dunks, not SBs. Actually, these are leather. These are $89.99. I like this color. It's a soft gray and like a brownish gray kind of tone. This will actually go good with my shirt that I'm wearing right now too. Yeah, I like these a lot. I really like these. Right? Same thing I just said. I'm like, I could wear these with the shirt that I'm wearing right now. Like I could just swap out the ones and put these on. Most definitely. And right now, today on feet, got on my Jordan 1, wash black. Well, it should have been washed gray, but that's what they call them, the washed black. Then these green right here, I like this green. It's not the SBs, but you see that also these ones came with the thicker laces too. I wonder if there's another pair of laces in the box. Let's check out a pair and see if they came with more than one lace. Yep. See, I already know. So these come with 2 laces, and that's why I like Dunks. The versatility in materials, styles, the laces. You could do a lot with them. We got another pair of Dunks right here for $74.97. You take an additional 40% off. That's a crazy deal. You got a pair of Dunks for $74.97. You take an additional 40% off. So can't go wrong. Love these. Nice soft leather, suede material. These are a dope pair of Dunks. Dunk highs at that. All right, y'all. That's it for the Nike outlet here at Orlando Premium Outlets on Vineland. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.